Walk you through on how you can create what your Facebook page. Yes, that you can actually earn money with. Do you understand? Once you hit the threshold, and this is how to go about it. So once you open your Facebook page or your Facebook app, so for what you need to do is just to go to this place that this arrow is pointing at. Good. So once you click on this arrow, then you see something like this. The option you'll be selecting is this option that says what? Create new profile or what, or page. Good. So once you click on this create new profile or page, now this is what you will see. And please, I am begging you, if you've not subscribed or if today is your first time coming to my channel, all I do here is to give you my experience and teach you people all about money making and growing a profitable social media handle. So do well to subscribe, like this video, drop your comment, and please turn on your notification sign. So let's continue, guys. So once you get yourself to this part, the next part you need to take is this. Now look at the question that they ask. How do you want to connect with people? Asigi was select which option best matches your goal. Then the first option, which is this, says what? The first option, which is this, says what? Connect with a specific group of people to explore your interests and express yourself freely. Then the second one says what? Grow public followers. Build a public what? Presence or monetize your brand or business. Exactly. Which is this? The second part is what we use. So once you select the second part, you click on the next button. Now, once you click on the next button, this is what you will see. Where do you want to grow your public followers? Then first one says what? Create a separate page. Then look at what it says. Start fresh with new name, separate audience and professional tools. Then second one says what? Use your existing profile. Do you understand? Then add professional tools to your main profile to continue growing your current audience there. So what I'll be doing is this. I'll be clicking on the first one that says that I have to start a fresh new name and separate stuff for that, which is me creating a page. Do you understand? So once you click on continue. Now creating a page, now here are some things you need to know. Creating a new page would be best for you. Based on your selection, a page has the features you need. One, access professional tools. Then get all ADS features and shops. Earn money with your content if eligible and more. Can you see? Creating page now with Facebook. Then second one says what? Assign access to others. Share access with people that you trust so that they can help manage and grow your page. Can you see? So what this part simply means is this: if you have someone that you trust enough, you can actually give the person your logins and make the person admin of your page, so they too can actually post something on your page and have access to it in case you are not chance to do that. Do you understand? Then the next thing you need to do, the next option here is what? Get actionable insights. Say what? Learn more about your audience and how your ADS and other content are performing. So all these things are what you will be saying. So what I will need to do is this. Let me click on get started. So once you click on get started, the first option that will show here is what? You putting in your name. Do you understand? So coming to this name, what I will use is what? 𝗀𝗲𝗃𝗍, which is the same name on on my YouTube. So 𝗀𝗲𝗃𝗍, then I click on next. So let's see. Now coming to this place, what category best describe 𝗀𝗲𝗃𝗍? So now this is what we will be saying. So I'll put something like content creator. Let me see if there is something like content creator and all that. So let me be like content creator, social media agency, writing stuff, tutorial. Is there anything like tutorial? Let's check something like tutorial. Okay, 𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗁. Can you see? So that's what I'll be using. I'll be using 𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗁. That's one. Money making should be another something. Let me see if there is something like money making here, because I think this is where this will be pushed out. Social services, music and brand. I do nothing with music and brand. What again? Coach. Is there anything like coach, online coach, personal coach? I think then personal coach. I think this is okay. The next thing I need to do is to hit on create. So now let's see the next page or the next place it will land us to, guys. So please, I am begging you, if today is your first time, do well to like this video, share this video, drop your comment, and let me know what you think about this video. It's very, very important. So now look at what they said here. Finish setting up your page. Success, you have created today tips. Now add more details to help people connect with you. So coming to this my bio now, what should be on my bio? What should be okay? Let me be like this. Here, here, comma, I share profitable tips about folktale story creating, comma, how to grow YouTube. Okay, here I share profit. No, it should be share, not shared. Here I share to Here I share profitable tips about folktale story creating, how to grow YouTube channels, and so much. Okay. Okay, yeah, I share profitable and how to grow YouTube channel. Join now. Simple. Then after that, I think I'm done with my bio. Websites to connect. I did not have websites. Email. Like if someone wants to email me, you can email me with this. 𝗱𝗲𝗂𝗂@gmail.com. So you can mail me with this. Then phone number. No, I'm not putting phone number. Location is it necessary. I based 𝗀𝗲𝗄. So this is 𝗀𝗲𝗄. Okay. Address. Just Futo Road. Search city or town. 𝗀𝗲𝗄. Owerri, Imo State. Good. Then after that, postal code. Is it necessary? I don't know. I don't know any postal code in Owerri. 4311 I don't know if there's anything like this though. Then after that, I have to click on next. That postal code, actually I will change it later. Do you understand? But let's just continue. So as you can see, customize your page. What this part means now is this. Let me add my picture. So the picture I'll be using is still the same picture I'm using on my YouTube page. Do you understand? So that is what I'm going to do. So now it will take me to my phone gallery. So from my phone gallery, I will be selecting that particular picture. Do you understand? So that's what I am hunting for now. So please, I am begging you to like, share this video, and drop your comment, because here is actually a complete guide on how you can create what a Facebook page. Yes, on how you can create a Facebook page. So I'm still looking for my picture, guys. So as you can see, I've selected my picture, and that is why this rotating stuff you are seeing it. That is why you are seeing this rotating stuff. Can you see? I have selected my picture. So what's next I will be doing is, to put my page cover, but that I'll be doing it next. Do you understand? The reason you are putting that is to make your page professional. Do you understand? Then after this, next thing I need to do is just to hit next. So as you can see, this is my next. So now if you want, you can invite people, but for now I am not inviting anybody. So let me click on next again. Now this is this, then click on next. automatically my page is ready. As you can see, they are signing me in now to my new page. So guys, this is actually the few steps you can actually take to do what, to create a profitable page. So this is how this page looks like. Automatically this page is active. Then do not forget, I will be adding my a cover photo later, not actually now. Do you understand? So that is that about that. And thank you for watching this video. I really love you guys, and please catch you guys on my next tutorial video. Stay tuned, and bye bye for now, guys.